Veneer is an extremely thin veneer of wood employed to create a covering for surfaces with reasons of decoration. It's a favorite choice in cabinetry, furniture, and various other woodworking projects because of its gorgeous look and its durability. The cost of veneer can be very different in relation to the place it's obtained, with substantial price distinctions among Europe as well as Turkey. In Europe, pricing for veneer tends to be greater than those in Turkey. This is due to the high cost of manufacturing in Europe, as salaries, regulations, and operating costs are greater. In addition, European veneer suppliers often offer a premium market with premium veneer that comes with a premium price. In contrast, Turkey has a competitive advantage in manufacturing veneer. Turkey is home to large forests as well as a lengthy history of experience in woodworking. This allows Turkish manufacturers to create premium veneers at a less price. This savings in cost is transferable to customers and makes Turkish veneer cheaper as compared to European counterparts. Another element that is responsible for the differences in prices in Europe in comparison to Turkey are the rates of exchange. The Turkish currency has seen a significant decline in its value in the past few years, making Turkish goods more competitive on the world market. It has also reduced the cost of Turkish veneer in comparison to European veneers, which makes it a popular choice when buyers are looking to save money. In spite of the reduced cost, Turkish veneer is still high quality. Turkish suppliers make use of advanced technologies and methods to make veneer that is compliant with the international standard. Actually, a lot of European purchasers have started turning towards Turkish suppliers for veneer requirements since they obtain the same product of high quality with a cheaper price. To conclude, knowing the cost differences between veneers that are available in Europe and Turkey helps buyers make educated choices when choosing veneer to complete their projects. Even though European veneer can come with the cost of acquiring it, Turkish veneer offers a low-cost alternative without sacrificing high-end quality. In weighing factors such as manufacturing costs along with exchange rates, as well as high-quality standards, customers are able to get the highest quality for the money with regard to veneer.